Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the moonroof fuse or sunroof fuse is located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the passenger side. We are looking for fuse in slot number 80. So right down here is our fuses. So this 20 amp fuse right here, second up from the bottom and the third row over, is the 20 amp fuse for your sunroof or moonroof supply. So right there, that's the fuse we're looking for, 20 amp micro fuse. I will have micro fuses linked down below where you can get them online if you'd like to. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.